6 steps very important into the Google Sheet. 1. Add text box. 2. Set full screen. 3. Create filter. 4. How to sort. 5. Edit history. And 6. How to back history. Step 1. I'm gonna show you to create box attendant in cell. So this is my example. I have some student list, and this is the box note the attendance of the student. And if you create like this, it's made it easy to check the attendance of the student. And normally I use that with my student attendance like this. Okay, I remove and I will show you. If you want to set it, just select the cell. And after click insert and click check box. Okay, the result all box in cell. And you can just try to check in box the attendance of the student. And one more, if you want to remove the box, you just select the cell and press key delete. Alright, the checkbox removed from cell. Step 1 finish. Step 2. If you open the Google Sheet and doesn't show the menu bar, so we call this full screen. Okay, I back and show you. If you want to set the full screen, you click on view and click on full screen this button. And if you want to display after you set the full screen, you have to press the key escape. Okay, the outcome, the menu bar show. Part 3. When we use the filter in the Google Sheet. Most time that I use the filter in the Google Sheet when I want to search or show only the class that I want to enter the score of the student. So this is the example. I want to display only MMO class. I just do like that. Select on class and click this button. Okay, you will see this result. Only MMO1 class to show on this file. Okay, I hope that you understand about the filter. Okay, now I will show you how to set the filter in the Google Sheet. First, you have to select the header. And after, click on these buttons to create the filter. Okay, after you can test the result. Now, I want to display only class MMO1. So I just click on this button and scroll down, click on clear and select the class that you want to show. Okay, there are 2 students display on this file after we filter. Anyway, if you want to show all the students, click on this button, click on select all, scroll down and click done. Alright, if you want to remove the filter, you just select the cell that you set the filter. And after, click on these buttons to remove. Okay, with this step finished. Part 4. What is sort in the Google Sheet? We use sort for arrange this with letter or number. So this is the example. I want to sort the letter name A to Z. First, I select the column that I want to sort. And I click on create filter. And after, click on these buttons to sort. And choose sort A to Z. Okay, you can check the list name is arranged from A to Z. Okay, with sort, I hope that you understand. Okay, with this step finished. Step 5, I will show you if someone remove data in cell and you want to know how to remove all this. Okay, you can do like this. You just right click on the cell that you lose the data and click show edit history, this button. Okay, so this is the email that edited the last activity. Okay, one more reason. So why you know someone edited your data? Because you share these files to them. Okay, with this step finished. The last step of this part, I will show you how to back the history version. Okay, I have example. So I removed this data from my list. And I press Ctrl Z, but my data is not back. How can I do it? I want to get back. One more way, you can click on File and click on this button, Version History. And click this button to show the history activity. And you can call back to the data history. So this is the last version. You can click and restore this button. And click this button, restore again. Okay, your data display back. Okay, with this step finished. Thank you for your love sharing. See you next video.